years, Oliver Wight have been taking our clients on a journey of data, then behavior, and that was a big change for organizations. Behavior of sales, marketing, operations, supply chain, finance, and of course the chief executive. Then it was sort of, well, then is it just continuous improvement after that? Where does it go? And we've been working on that quite a lot, and of course a lot of companies have been improving, but what optimization does is provide a big breakthrough to the next stage of improvement. And it really sort of takes it to the next level. That's how excited we are about optimization. You know, if I think through in terms of the journey, Oliver Wight have believed and still believe that people are the most important thing in change management. So then how come, you know, a system, because a system is needed for optimization. And for us, this works perfectly in terms of where we're getting companies to, because we've got them to the stage where the people behaviors and so on is, you know, clear. Then the next stage in terms of optimization really pulls that together. So it is part of the journey. No one is doing this at all. People are doing this in supply chain, but they're not doing it on integrated business planning and S&OP and demand and product and so on. No one's doing that. And that is why it fits in with what we're working on. If you look at Oliver Wight, what we are very, very good at is understanding how processes should operate and how people should behave and work within those. What we're not great at is understanding how the tools operate. Now, there have been standard tools around for years that everybody understands, but haven't really got the value. What we found with AIMMS is that they really understand how to marry the technology with our understanding of people and processes. So it's that marriage that, again, is so exciting about working with AIMMS. The great thing about working on this is that you'll learn so much. So we decided to start with demand planning. We thought that was the easiest area to start. We thought we understood it. We found we didn't as much as we think, but now we really see that moving into a whole new area for our clients and adding value. And it's really into sales and marketing. So sales and marketing will be able to use this approach to drive value in terms of margin and understanding of their expenditure and the relationship of that and so on. So that's going to be very different for those clients. Traditionally, the whole approach to the area of demand planning was about data, looking at data, and then people determining what the answer was. The fantastic thing about optimization is that actually it gives you the answer. Now the issue is then, what answer am I seeking? And in understanding that, we said, well, actually the answer we're seeking is, what do we have to do in terms of resource and money and sales and marketing to achieve the goals that we want? And actually the model comes out and tells you. Now, of course, there's a lot of things that lead to that. It's not just landing in that position. But what is fantastic is that nothing else is doing that. Nothing else is giving the answer that this is what you have to spend and the resource you have to put in to achieve this outcome. Nothing else is doing that.